How to unarchive story on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Now, in order to unarchive your story, tap onto your profile from your bottom right. Then tap on three-bar icon on your top right. You will see archive option under how you use Instagram. Tap onto it. Also be noted that every story that you add onto your account will be saved onto Story Archive. If you want to unarchive any story, tap onto it, tap on three-dot icon, then tap on delete. If you delete this story will be unarchived. And this is the only way you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.